This is an old chair I found. Someone had thrown it away. I wanted a small chair, saw this one, found it, bought these 5 rollerblade wheels, to replace the old plastic wheels. I have hardwood floors, and my wife would not be happy if I scratched her floors, so I am doing this video to show a closer look at the wheels, and show the process of replacing the wheels on the chair. 4 of office chair wheels. Vogek 5-set universal heavy-duty replacement rollerblade rubber office casters, black, sold by Vogek direct. Cost $7.99. Amazon, https://www.amazon.com/b019jb2mca/reference pp.x_y0_score dt_b_score as in_pt_x_y_F8 _P_S_sec was 1. Safe on all floors. No need for a chair mat. These premium rubber caster wheels are safe rolling on hardwood, laminate, vinyl, tile, slate, carpet and protect all types of floors from rolling chairs. Smooth and quiet rolling. Clear black 3-inch rubber rollerblade caster wheels roll silently smooth. Have full swivel action for easy maneuverability. Upgrade look and performance. Modernize the look and upgrade the performance of any rolling chair or stool by replacing cheap floor marking plastic casters with this stylish rollerblade caster wheels. Universal stem size and easy to install. Fits most office chairs, desk chairs. Heavy-duty lifetime warranty. Covered by a lifetime warranty. These heavy-duty caster wheels are durably designed for years of smooth rolling floor protection. Rubber office chair wheels, set of 5, safe rolling on all flooring. Universal fit rollerblade style replacement casters. Product description: color name, black. Upgrade the rolling performance and style of your office chair with these standout floor protecting rollerblade caster wheels from Slipstick. These premium casters feature special 3-inch rubber roller wheels that provide ultra smooth and safe rolling on any flooring from hardwood to carpet. These casters eliminate the need to cover your floor with an unattractive chair mat and will modernize the look of your office chair desk area. Designed to fit most rolling chairs and attach in seconds, these casters feature universal standard size 7/16x7/8 stems and make an ideal set of replacement casters for rolling chairs, stools, and furniture. This set of 5 heavy-duty casters will support up to 500 pounds, 100 pounds per wheel, and are covered by a lifetime free replacement warranty. Available in 3 different color variations: black, chrome gray, and black red. Protect your floors and money. Stop damaging your expensive hardwood floors. Many chair wheels use cheap, low-quality materials that destroy your flooring. We don't. Encased with soft polyurethane material, our rollerblade style wheels are guaranteed not to scratch or leave marks on any surface, so feel free to finally toss that old computer chair floor mat. Reliable heavy-duty construction. Entire support bracket and internal parts are made of high-grade steel, providing years effortless rolling and durability. The heavy-duty design supports up to 650 pounds as a set of 5. Enjoy smooth and quiet gliding, smooth and quiet rolling. Our precision ball bearings combined with vibration-reducing polyurethane tires will give you a smooth and silent roll. They roll amazingly on hardwood floors, carpet, tile, concrete, stone or vinyl. Different from traditional wheels, have solved that traditional chair wheels get tangled with carpet, hair, and scratches on floors. Protect your expensive hardwood. Safe, user-friendly, very easy to install, no tools required. Pull out your old office chair casters and push in your new wheels until stem is firmly seated and secure. 5-year warranty.